What's up, YouTubers? Jonny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the oil change on a 2012 Altima Nissan. Alright, let's get to it. Go ahead and make sure your emergency brake's on. Chalk the wheels. So I built these ramps. You can check them out in the video down in the description. I'll include it. So first we're going to drain the oil, and the oil pan is right on the passenger side back here. Here's the bolt right here. So you're just going to take your 14 millimeter. Jeez, I put this on. This son of a gun is tight. Alright, so make sure your pan's underneath. Woo! Drain that oil. It's best to have your car a little warmed up at least, because the oil will drain faster and it will drain, more of it will drain out completely. So we're just gonna let this set draining for a few minutes till it stops. Alright, so the oil's just about done dripping. So we're just gonna screw it tight, snug down our 14. There we go. Doesn't have to be too tight, just snug down, nice and good. Alright, so now we're going to unscrew the oil filter, and it's right here located on the passenger side, right on the side of the engine right here. Let that drain out. Alright, so now we're going to take our new oil filter, grab a little of our fresh oil, and give it a nice rubbing of fresh oil around that new O-ring. A little on the threads. That's going to help it seat. Alright, so now we're going to take our new filter, screw it on, and you're just going to screw it till it gets tight, and then another 2/3 of a turn or so. It's going to seat more as it heats up. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to add the new oil, so we're just going to take off our oil cap, put our funnel in here, take our new oil. I'm doing full synthetic, I recommend that. The Altima calls for 5W30 oil. This is the V6, it calls for 5 1/8 quarts of oil. If you have the 4-cylinder model, it's just about 5 quarts, that's it. Alright, that's done. Take your oil cap, make sure that's back on good and tight. Go ahead and take your dipstick out, wipe it off, pull it, and check it again. Make sure it's in the level, right in between the L and the H. Looks good. Alright, double check everything. Get your oil cap on, drain cap on, and filter with fresh oil. Oh, and also remember, make a little sticker or make a little tag with mileage and the date that you changed the oil, and put it back up on your windshield so you'll remember when to change your oil again next. Alright, and that's it, guys. That's how to change your oil on your Nissan Altima. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Check out my page. Subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching Jonny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.